YouTube. Thanks for watching my previous videos and thanks for watching this video and any videos to come. I appreciate all my subscribers and anyone who's new to watching my channel. I appreciate you for watching my videos. And if you do like, you have any comments, let me know. Any tips, let me know. Today I am going to show you all how I do my eyebrows. I haven't actually had my eyebrows started in like 2 years. I've already started on this eyebrow, but I'm definitely going to give you an insight on how I do it on this eyebrow. You see, this is the regular eyebrow. There's nothing there. There's nothing I've done to it. This one is filled in a little bit, but it's not shaped, nor do I have any concealer around it. But I am going to finish this one up, and then I'm going to go ahead on and show you all how I did this one. Now, this is a very simple summer look for me because the summer is the heat is so intense here that I just do not like putting on pounds of makeup during the summertime. And anybody who does, now as I was saying, anyone who can wear makeup in the summer heat, more commands to you. I can't do it. I don't even try. Nightfall, hey, catch me in the game. Daytime, this is all you're gonna get plain. Okay. Now, as you can see, I have filled it in, shaded it in, and I've shaped it. I'm gonna show you all how I did this on this. Fingers crossed, let's hope my light does not go out, y'all, because it is giving me a hard time. I'm definitely going to have to buy a new one. If y'all hear my kids in the background singing these nursery tales, it's because my niece, I want them to teach my niece some things, so disregard it, please. The light's going down, y'all. You see it? This is all my eyebrow. This is my hair. This is nothing more. Nothing but my hair filled in. I don't know. Maybe I'm going to need to get some Rogaine. I'm going to have to get something. The light is literally gone off, y'all. And I done had this light charging for like 2 days. It don't take me that long to do it. It all depends on like if I'm having a really, really good eyebrow day. And today I'm having a really, really good eyebrow day. Like, they're really cooperating with me today. I don't know what I did, but I'm actually really excited about this turn. Now, I had already left my NARS and my concealer on my hand. this came. And I finished, y'all. And I finished, y'all. My light didn't even bother me. Alright, you guys. Thank you for tuning into my channel. And if you like what you saw, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know. Comment down below. Like, subscribe. Thank you.